Saudi Cup, hello, bonjour, privet, buenos dias. Hello everyone across the world. My name is Travis Campbell. I'm here at Signature Smile in Phuket. The reason why I'm here, I originally just was going to come to get my teeth whitened. I didn't have bad teeth, but I had gaps between all the front of my teeth, and thought about getting porcelain veneers, but not for years to come, because in Canada they're $30,000. Here price was about $4,000. That included a crown I needed, whitening, cleaning, x-rays, night guard, everything. All the staff here were great, friendly, answered all my questions. I did check out a couple other dental clinics. Prices here were the best, service was the best. Totally recommend if you're looking for any sort of dental work, cleaning, veneers, crowns, implants, whatever it may be. Check them out. 5-star rating. I'm totally happy with my teeth. Never really smiled before because I was embarrassed that I had the space between my teeth, and now all I do is smile. I send videos and for Facebook and Instagram back home, and friends are like, wow, that's so much better. Asking where I got it done, how much I got it done. So if you're thinking about it, stop thinking and just do it. Signature Smile, Phuket, the best. A+.